Cincinnati sewer water in the basement?
Stay out, stop indoor water use, and report it to MSD within 48 hours so a possible public sewer claim is not missed.
Keep everyone away from wastewater and wet electrical equipment.
Do not use a shop vacuum or run fans through contaminated air. If water is near energized wiring or anyone is in immediate danger, leave and contact emergency authorities first. From dry ground, photograph the drain, highest water line, damaged items, and discovery time. Cincinnati's Metropolitan Sewer District accepts backup reports around the clock at 513-352-4900 and says reports must arrive within 48 hours for potential reimbursement consideration. MSD investigates whether a reported backup came from the public sewer. Its guidance says private building sewers are maintained by property owners, and private-only backups do not qualify for program assistance.
Do not approve excavation until the line and blockage location are documented.
Ask a licensed plumber for camera findings, pipe material, blockage, or collapse location, and whether overland water is involved. If contamination entered the building, ask a restoration provider for containment, cleaning, disposal, and drying steps in writing. For recurring public sewer backups, MSD says some customers with 2 or more qualifying backups in 5 years may be eligible for its prevention program.
Verify eligibility before paying for a backflow device or redesign.
To locate a sewer line or cleanup provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.